Hey there! Let's take a look at adding logic fields to templates in safety culture. As your team members complete their inspections, logic fields can help guide them through different pathways based on their answers. For example, if we select yes to this question, logic prompts us to provide evidence by taking a photo. However, if we select no, further questions are asked for clarification. Once we provide the reason, logic prompts us to create a follow-up action. Now let's take a look at how to create this in a template. Before we get started, make sure you have Conduct Edit access to the template you'd like to make changes to. Let's jump right in. Click Templates. Click the template you'd like to add logic to. Then click Edit Template in the side panel. With a question selected, click Add Logic. By clicking here, you can decide how the logic field should be triggered. For example, if you have a multiple choice question, you can use is one of to trigger the logic field for more than one specific answer. Or, if you'd like the logic field to trigger regardless of the type of response, use is selected. Next, click here to choose the response that triggers the logic field. Then click Trigger to decide what should happen. You can choose from requiring an action, requiring evidence such as media or notes, notifying a user or group, or asking additional questions. For this example, if yes is selected, let's have the user add a photo by clicking Require Evidence. Leave Media checked, then click Save and Apply. Now let's look at adding logic if the answer during the inspection is no. Depending on the item's response type, you can add multiple logic fields to be triggered by different conditions. We'll start by getting further context with an additional question. Click Add Logic, then click Trigger, and select Ask Questions. Add your question and update the type of response. For this question, we'll use a custom multiple choice response set. Feel free to create your own by selecting responses. Let's ensure we create a follow-up task for this by requiring an action for either answer. Click Add Logic, change is to is selected, click Trigger, then select Require Action. Well done! If you'd like to test your logic fields, try it out in the mobile preview. Once you've made all your updates, click Publish to share the changes with your team. To learn more about logic and template building, visit help.safetyculture.com.